I'm going to try to make this as succinct as possible because it's already kind of come up about litigating past relationships.
Past anything, yes.
Past anything. I met someone about 25 years ago, and we had a couple kids together, but his addiction to pornography prevented him from being emotionally and physically available to me for a number of years, and I made a decision to leave that relationship.
Again, it's the same thing that we were just talking about. There's a conversation going on behind the curtain that is really interesting. What's happening back here?
Well,
What's
the
happening
part
back
is,
here?
the part that has got me now, okay, but for the past 5 years that I've met you and I've been with you and I've been loving you every day and enjoying how you're helping me to transform my life and remember what I forgot.
Yes.
And he came to me 2 weeks ago, and he's been in this 12-step program, and he wanted to do his 9th step, and he was saying, you know, how much I apologize for not being there for you, and you're into blah, 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 all that, blah, blah, blah.
Exactly. Blah, 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 blah,
but can I just finish one thing? And
blah, blah, blah.
But he said to me, is there anything I can do?
Blah, 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 blah. Could you feel how confused and convoluted and unnecessary and all of that, how that became?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. We think this is a really good, no,